What's the meaning of abs? Abs. 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 Abs can stand for a number of things, including anti-lock braking system, a safety feature in cars that prevents the wheels from locking up during braking, which can help you maintain control of the car. Acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, a type of plastic that is strong and lightweight. It is used in a variety of products, including car parts, building materials, and medical devices. Asset-backed security, a type of investment that is backed by a pool of assets, such as mortgages or loans. ABSs are often used by investors to diversify their portfolios and reduce risk. Abdominal muscles, the muscles that make up the abdomen. Strong abdominal muscles can help you improve your posture, core strength, and overall health. In the context of your question, it is most likely that abs refers to anti-lock braking system.